Welcome. If you're looking to add your Facebook link to your Roblox account using the latest update on PC, you're in the right place. In just a few easy steps, you can connect your Facebook profile to your Roblox account and make it visible to your friends and followers. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Next, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on More. This will expand the menu and show you additional settings and features. Now, from the expanded menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, click on Account Info. This is where you can manage all your personal information and social links. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Social Networks. Here, you'll see different options for linking your social media accounts. Look for the Facebook section. In the Facebook field, type or paste your Facebook profile link. Make sure the link is correct, so that anyone who clicks it will be taken directly to your Facebook page. After you've entered your link, look for the Save button. Click on it to save your changes. Roblox will update your profile and your Facebook link will now be visible under your social networks. That's it. You've successfully added your Facebook link to your Roblox account using the new update on PC. This makes it easier for friends and other players to connect with you outside of Roblox. If you ever want to update or remove your link, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials if you want to customize your Roblox experience even further. See you next time.